Hello everyone, welcome to ITPK. Today let's see how we can watch football matches on our computer or on our Android or iOS mobiles live. Before proceeding, please consider subscribing and leave a like to this video. I really appreciate this. So on your mobile phone or your computer, go directly to a browser and search for Sky Sports. At the top, please go to the website skysports.com. Let's open this. Once you are on Sky Sports website, please refer to this menu and in the sports, please go to football to see football live matches. And on this page, please scroll down and here we gotta get some news and we got the options on the right side that live on Sky. These matches are live on Sky. And if you scroll a little more down, it will also tell us what's coming up. If you want to know what all these and if you want to see live matches and scroll to above and here let's find to get Sky Sports right. On Get Sky Sports you could get the subscription to Sky Sports. Here we have option Get Sky Sports. Let's go to Get Sky Sports now and hopefully this will open the page to get subscription to Sky Sports. Okay, here either you could go to all 9 dedicated sports channels including Premier League and F1. You can go directly to upgrade now, and also if you are new to Sky TV, you can go to get Sky Sport packages, and also if you want to sign in or create an account in Sky Sport, you can go directly to sign in, or you want to upgrade, you can go to upgrade from here, right? So once you get subscription to Sky Sports, you can get a lot of live matches related to football or any other sports in Sky Sports. However, if you want to see another website that is very similar to Sky Sports but have different matches on it, please search for BT Sport. Let's open the BT Sport here. Accept all cookies, please. And here, let's go to sport, and here we are able to see football. Okay, now on BT Sport, we are in football. And here we can see all leagues, top stories, and also some news related to football. And you could also go ahead and subscribe BT Sport to get the most of it. So once you are subscribed or you're registered to these websites, you can download sports apps to your mobile phone and you can watch the matches live. That's it about today's simple tutorial on how to watch football matches live. Please consider subscribing. Take care. Bye.